Imagine your auto repair shop in Phoenix, Arizona, buried in the competition. Now picture one secret weapon that skyrockets your business overnight. That weapon, online marketing. Sounds crazy? Here's the twist. 97% of car owners search online before picking a repair shop. Not having a strong online presence? You're losing thousands of potential customers every day. Watch this. Sleek cars zoom past a repair shop with no online reviews. Then, a bright, bustling shop flashes on screen, glowing with 5-star reviews and bookings flooding in. America's best shops crack the code. Targeted ads, glowing testimonials, and laser-focused SEO. Suddenly, your phones ring off the hook. Your bays fill up. The emotion? Pure relief from empty lot anxiety. The mind blower? Some Phoenix shops saw a 300% growth in 6 months. What if your shop could be next? Are you ready to stop being invisible and start dominating Phoenix's auto scene? Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge in marketing your shop? Let's fix it together.